Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? So today we will read about the soft letters. So three letters are soft. Number one, tha, and number two, zal, and number three, wa. So some people when pronounce these letters, so they say sa, zal, and zwa. It's wrong. So when we pronounce, so we will pronounce as softly and pronounce to avoid from the sound of whistle. Sa, sa. Number two, lal, and number three, zwa. So zwa is also from the bold letters. Okay, next rule. Three letters have a sound of whistle. So when we pronounce these letters, so we will produce a sound of whistle. Number one, za. Number two, sin. And number three, swad. So swad is also from the bold letters. So za, sin, and swad. So you practice these two rules, and inshallah we will read the more rules the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.